Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Smart Eats Center. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects many of us, food addiction. In this video, we'll explore the science behind food addiction, its impact on our lives, and most importantly, how to break the cycle and regain control over our relationship with food. Before we can tackle food addiction, let's understand what it is and why it happens. Food addiction is a real condition characterized by compulsive overeating of certain foods, often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Research has shown that the brains of people with food addiction respond to food stimuli, similarly to how the brains of drug addicts react to their substances of choice. Our brain releases dopamine, a feel-good neurotransmitter, when we consume pleasurable foods. Over time, this can lead to tolerance, where we need more and more of these foods to experience the same pleasure, creating a cycle of addiction. Emotional triggers, like stress or sadness, can lead us to turn to comfort foods as a coping mechanism. Environmental triggers, such as the availability of unhealthy foods, can make it even harder to break the cycle. Now that we know what food addiction is, let's talk about its impact on our lives. Food addiction can have severe health consequences, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and more. It affects not only our physical health but also our mental and emotional well-being. Food addiction can isolate us from social activities and strain our relationships. Shame and guilt associated with overeating can also take a toll on our mental health. It's time to talk about how we can break the cycle of food addiction and regain control over our lives. Don't be afraid to seek help from professionals, such as therapists or nutritionists, who specialize in treating food addiction. Support groups can also provide a sense of community and understanding. Practice mindful eating, which involves paying attention to the taste, texture, and sensations of food. This can help break the automatic response to overeat. Replace unhealthy habits with positive ones. Cook nutritious meals at home. Stay physically active, and find alternative ways to cope with stress or emotions. Food addiction is a challenging journey, but it's one that can be conquered. By understanding the science behind it and taking proactive steps to regain control, we can break free from the cycle and live healthier, happier lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey to understand food addiction better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit. Together, we can break the cycle of food addiction and lead healthier lives.